Hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so it's exactly 60 days to Jamb 2025 examination. Okay, so I'm going to be speaking to three categories of students, all right, of people. All right, so I'm going to be speaking to if you're just starting to study today, 60 days to Jamb exams, what you should be doing. If you're halfway on your syllabus, what you should be doing. If you have finished your syllabus, what you should be doing now. Okay, so Jamb exam is going to be starting on the 25th of April, all right, to the 5th of May. All right, printing, exam slip printing will start a week before the exam. That's around 18th of April. Exam slip printing will start, so it will let you know which day you would be sitting for your examination. Okay, and please, registration is closing in 10 days time, 7th of March. All right, so please try to do your registration quickly. If you are having any issues with your profile code, please try to contact me so I can help you out. All right, several issues, user to candidate issue and all that, contact me. All right, there's solution, just contact me so we help you out with that. My WhatsApp details is in the video description box. You can also check our Facebook group. I've tried to solve so many issues like that, and also I've done videos on that on our TikTok channel, so make sure you contact me. Okay, now categories of people. Right now, the first set of people is you have finished your syllabus, what you should be doing. But before I go further, now this is what I do. We do online classes, so I always meet with my students. All right, and the first thing we do, if you're interested to join us, please do join us. We are still intensively cracking the Jamb syllabus. We're about to finish it up, so if you join us today, you have access to all our recorded videos. You can watch them on the go, all the teachings. All right, and even on our WhatsApp group also, we also have brainstorming sessions. So we don't just do classes live. After you finish your live classes, in the WhatsApp group also, you also have brainstorming sessions where we are answering. There's a teacher there giving you past questions and the solution and explaining it also for you from the beginning of the syllabus. So make sure you join our online classes. So I always ask them that, first of all, they give me their vision score. What's your vision score? That's their JVS. So that everyone starts saying 300, the score you want, 270, 290. And after that, I start asking them, how many percent are you in your syllabus for each of your subjects? You have to know that. How many percent of physics have you covered? Chemistry, if you're doing maths, if you're doing biology, English is compulsory for everyone. How many percent have you covered of your syllabus? In case you don't know what a syllabus is. Because yes, I've seen students that don't know what syllabus is. It's your scheme of work. It is what you should read to prepare for the Jamb examination. And to get the syllabus, you can download it freely. Just go to the link above, click on it. You will see the links to download our syllabus, or join the Telegram group, is already there. Our Facebook group is already there. WhatsApp group, we're also sharing it there. All right, so that is a guide on what to read for each of your topic. So I ask them and everybody starts giving me their percent. So I want you now, comment, where are you? Be sincere with yourself. Where are you in each of your subject combination? Comment below. All right, now, so for you, you have finished your syllabus, what you should be doing. I tell you what you should be doing now is practicing using the DTW Jamb CBT app. All right, DTW, and why do I say that? Because it works offline. Right now is the time to kill every distraction. It works without the internet. So when you are on your phone, you are with your phone, no internet, you are still studying, and you are practicing or your laptop, whichever, it works on your devices. Okay, to download it, go to Google Play Store. All right, also on iPhone, Apple Store. All right, so please, the Apple Store version will soon be out. All right, so expect it very soon before your examination. So please get it and start practicing. And this is the strategy I always tell students on how to practice with the DTW Jamb CBT app. Now, when you go to the practice, on the future of the app, when you go to the practice session where the past questions are, I know you'll be wondering which kind of questions are on the DTW Jamb CBT app. They are the paper, those paper book you buy. Everything inside it typed is inside the DTW Jamb CBT. It's your digital past question all the way from 1992 to date. Okay, it has been digitized for you. You can search for things seamlessly for you. There's even class notes that you can read on the app. So for you, when you enter there, select your first subject, select the year you want. Practice under 1 hour 30 minutes. Now, I will tell you why this is important. Because it will enable you for time management. Remember, you have 4 subjects to do. Under how many hours? 2 hours. How many questions total? 180 questions. So you have approximately 40 seconds for one question. So Jamb is not just exam. It's an exam. It's a test of speed and accuracy. Not just your understanding. Not just you know it all. Test of our speed and accuracy. So you must be able to read the questions fast, know what it's saying fast, and get your answer fast. So that's why I tell my students, my online class students, DTW students, practice under 1 hour 30 minutes. Portion your time. I always tell them your most difficult question, you can give it like 25 minutes. Then the other questions, you can give it like 20 minutes. The other, give it like 20 minutes. Okay, so you practice under that timed condition, and this helps you because you have that extra 30 minutes to go back to check your work again. And when you practice like this 60 days to exam, you become perfect. Do you get my point? You become perfect in your practice. And let me tell you, your first time you try, you might get like 200. Keep on doing it until you start getting 300, and I tell you, you will come out with 300. Now, secondly, for those you are halfway on the syllabus, all right, what do? Try in the next 30 days. You have 60 days, right? The next 30 days, try and see how many more percent you can add. You can cover up on the syllabus. You can cover up like more 30%. So you will now be 80% through on each of your subjects. Stop there on that 30 days. The next 30 days to your exam, practice using this method I just spoke to you about under the timed exam. Time yourself 1 hour 30 minutes. So you have that 30 minutes extra. Perfect yourself. Know how to follow that countdown. See, if you're not careful, if you don't know how to follow that countdown, the Jamb CBT app is a countdown. It's not like your wristwatch where you can look at your wristwatch and you see the time going, forward. But this is a countdown. If you're not careful, if you don't practice with it, you won't know when 1 hour has passed and you're on one subject. Do you see why practicing with the DTW Jamb CBT app is critical? So, for you, halfway, try and cover much the next 30 days. And the other 30 days to your exam, you are practicing your past questions each year. Select them and practice. Now, you're just starting to read now. Whatever the excuse it be, whether it's laziness, whether it's maybe you're walking and all that, whatever it is, now you can do it. First of all, believe in yourself. Are you with me? Believe in yourself. You can do it. 60 days is still a lot of time. Okay? And I know that for you now, to start saying you want to open textbook, to start saying you want to open, tension will might want to just eat you up. But let me tell you what to do. Okay? This strategy, you start in 60 days, this strategy will guarantee you 200 and above, but not 300 because you started late. But if you are very good, and you use this strategy I'm about to tell you, you will even get up to 300. So what do? On the DTW Jamb CBT app, there's what we call classroom notes. On each of your subjects, study it. Get the DTW 30 days timetable syllabus to cover your syllabus in 30 days. It's on our groups, okay? Get it. Now, pick the subjects day 1. Read it on your classroom notes. After you finish reading it, go to question search on the DTW Jamb CBT app. Put the topic there. It will bring out questions on that topic. Solve it. Look through it. Try to answer it. Look at the corrections and all that. Do that in the next 30 days. Use that method to cover that syllabus in the next 30 days. Then the other 30 days to your exam, practice using the method I spoke of. Practicing under 1 hour 30 minutes. Are you seeing? This is the strategy you can use. Sit down and plan yourself. Give it your all. So you don't need to come back to this another year. You can do it 60 days to Jamb 2025. Okay? You are blessed. You are destined to win. Don't forget to give your life to Jesus Christ. For He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. All right? You can also join our online classes if you want, that zeal, that fire. Join us today. Okay? You are destined to win. You can do it. You can do it. Believe in yourself.